Men's short sleeve t-shirt striped cat. The t-shirt has a unique pattern that will delight everyone. Acrylic paints have a distinct style and texture that distinguishes them from factory-made items. Acrylic paints don't need a particular maintenance, do not fade in the sun, and do not wash away. Men's white short sleeve t-shirt with a stunning cat motif with flowers and spirals. The t-shirt looks great in the colors white, black, and turquoise blue. A lovely illustration of a hilarious and aggressive cat will certainly pleasure your loved ones, wife or girlfriend, and children will be delighted. Take note of the huge size t-shirt, which is appropriate for a large guy, but can also serve as an oversize for a person of a smaller build or even a lady. The t-shirt effectively depicts a cat's muzzle, eyes, and teeth. Spherical designs are drawn all over the reverse sides of the t-shirt. In the midst of decision, the t-shirt design was developed. After the cat was finished, the thought struck me to add spiral patterns to the full surface of the t-shirt. Many people have questions regarding the design's color scheme. The major goal, like with a previous initiative, was to make flawlessly attractive garments. When it comes to men's apparel, I rarely have the task of making a very great t-shirt, but this time it just happened. As you can see, a cat on a men's t-shirt is not the ideal decision, except that a woman would choose to buy this t-shirt for herself. Because there are currently lots of women's models in this online store, the color palette was purposefully limited so that guys would want this t-shirt in the first place. I hope the finished t-shirt design isn't too sweet. The scary appearance of the glowing cat is confirmation of this. I wouldn't say this t-shirt is the greatest in the entire assortment of men's tops, but it is certainly among the best in its class. Nevertheless, when some designs appears on a white t-shirt, a piece of white fabric is completely transformed. Of course, white clothes will do to black, but only somewhat. T-shirt for men with turquoise or blue flowers, the owner is unlikely to combine these colors with other articles of clothing unless the t-shirt owner is a woman. The t-shirt, on the other hand, goes well with black or light blue trousers. It should be noted that the spiral pattern is employed in hypnosis. One can only hope that this t-shirt will catch everyone's attention on the streets, not because of a hypnotic effect, but simply because it is uncommon and lovely.